I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now let me grab my phone. Let me pull my phone out here so I can show you and give the exact credit to who's responsible for today's pickup. Okay, let me get over the Instagram. Alright, so I'm assuming my man here is a follower of mine of this channel. He follows me on here. I don't want to say a follower or, you know, like I'm bigger than what I am or anything, but I guess he tunes into the channel. And he hit me up and he said, hey, I was on eBay and I came across these shoes. He basically asked me if I had them. And I was like, nah, I didn't have them, but he had ordered them. And he said he would let me know how they are, if you know the person legit or whatever, and if I should get them. And then he got his in, but I had already took his word for it before I let him know. And I had already ordered my pair. But he hit me up and he said, hey, these are legit. Go ahead and get you some. And my man's name is CJ or J-Man Kicks. J-Man Kicks. Alright? So my man's CJ hit me up and told me to get these pair of shoes, and bro, I appreciate you. I appreciate you for hitting me up and looking out for your boy. And I really think, as I grab these shoes, I really think that that's what's missing today from the sneaker culture, man. Acts of kindness like that. That is why I got into sneakers. Is because back in 2013 when I was getting into it, it was like a friendly community. Everybody was kind of looking out for everybody and, you know, help you get a pair. Hey, I just saw them over here. You need me to grab them for you? I'll get them for you. And then you just shoot me the money and, you know, it was all cool. Everybody was like united. Now it's like, I gotta have them first. I don't want nobody else to have them. I gotta get a bot to get the shoes. It's ridiculous. It's not the same as it was once before, so it's not as like a brotherhood. You know what I mean? It's not as fun as it once was. But anyway, shout out to you, CJ, man. I appreciate the lookout. So let's go ahead and get into these. I gotta be careful. There is no lid on this box, so as I pull these out, I just gotta let you all know that Big Rob, proud member, of the Bron gang. Alright? Now I can't show you just yet, but this is a Bron box, okay? These are the Zoom Lebron 3 CTK Quick Strike, alright? Size 14. The colorway is white and deep maroon. Alright? Had to get the Bron gangs once the homie hit me up. Alright? Now let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Rob TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Never thought I would have a pair of these. Left shoe first, baby. That Lebron 3 Christ the King colorway, man, yo, definitely legit. I will say, I do believe that the individual who was selling these on eBay, he must have got them at an outlet or something. Because usually when shoes come in a box with no lid, in the way that these are, these were at a Nike outlet somewhere, and they must have just had a bunch of them. But hey, man, I'll take them. And it wasn't an outrageous, like super outrageous price. It was, you know, a little over retail, not like hundreds of dollars, maybe about $30 or so over retail, but not bad at all, man. And that's including shipping. It was that price including shipping. It wasn't really that bad of a price, man. So they had to be at an outlet or something, and he just grabbed them all and put them up. And if I remember correctly, it was for a charity. Like, on the description of the eBay, all the proceeds were going to a charity in the local area. So that's also dope. As you can see, that CTK there for Christ the King. You got your LeBron logo there. Very nice. Man, I never thought I'd own a CTK pair of LeBrons, because usually they are super expensive. On the back there, you see that 3. I thought I was done getting LeBron 3s. I thought I was done, but you know, it's good to have people look out for your boy and tell you where there's deals. You see that LeBron there on the side. Lion King on the tongue. And you got those gold hits on the eyelets going around. Gold hits there on the LeBron logo. Gold going around on the bottom. Some of that maroon. Boom. And the center plate there. Very nice. Very nice. Of course, you have James on this one and a 2 there. So on the right shoe, second, on the right boy, you have your 3. So 2 on the left, 3 on the right, and then where was that at? On the other side. Oh, okay, on the bottom you got your LeBron. So bring them both in, of course. LeBron James. And then your 2-3 on the inside there. Very dope, man. Very dope. What we got on the insole? Get the right boy out of here. Let me unlace these things. I like on the lace tips, it's that heavier lace tip there. I like that on the 3s. The 3s are hard, man. 3s are hard. Now I know this is a late old shoe. This shoe isn't brand new. This shoe came out 2 years ago, but I just got them, and I'm happy that I just got them. Boom, on the inside, you got that maroon color LeBron logo there on the inside. All right, nothing major. Very dope, man. Glad that I was able to come up on these, man. You got your maroon swoosh with the gold outline there. Man, that's what's up, man. Glad I was able to get these, man. But you know what we gotta do? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet. Alright. Boom. Very nice. Very nice. Boom. Smooth, man. For size reference, Don't mind the ashiness. Don't mind the ashiness. Alright? But for size reference, these are 14. Big toe is right there. The rest of this is my 6th pair of 3s. And all but one other pair is a 13. So I like the fit better in a 14, but I can fit the 13. But yeah, I definitely prefer the 14 in these. My recommendation would go up half a size for sure. For sure. If you can find them, I recommend going up half a size, just because the toe box area is a little narrow. A little narrow there. It ain't the biggest of room in the toe box area. So I would recommend going up half a size. Even this 14 fits a little snug, but definitely, you know, good to go. Yes, sir. Let's get a little bit of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, for sure, these get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet. If you can find them, I definitely recommend you go ahead and pick you up a pair, because these things are dope. I'm glad that I was able to get them. I never thought I would own any LeBron CTK, any of them. So to find these at this price, the price that I paid for these, almost close to retail, win all day. But anyway, that's gonna do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.